Everyone, this is Margarita CRUZ-AMARO coming to you here from my kitchen here in the state of Illinois. I'm going to show you a round 2 recipe with the food that I had made yesterday, chicken tenders. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So basically what I'm doing right now, I have 3 types of lettuces and I am going to put it in here inside my little Tupperware container and okay, so that should be good. Right here, this is what you're looking for. And right now I am making these beautiful chicken tenders. Okay. And look at these. Awesome stuff, isn't it? Look at. Alright, now right now what I am doing, I am warming up the last of the flour tortilla. 30 seconds. I'm doing 15 seconds on each side, probably 10 depending on the thickness. So like right now, I'm just kind of like warming it up so it could be more pliable. And right here I have some ham that's been warmed up also. Did it for about a good 30 seconds on each side, and there's like 2 slices of each. And always disconnect your electronics. And right now I'm going to slice these down in half, and I just got to find my knife. Alright, and I just slice them down in half, so I don't know if you could see this here. Alright, slice them down in half, slice them down in half, and slice them down in half. So you got 6 pieces right there. Then you grab your flour tortilla, okay, and you grab your dressing or whatever it is that you like to have, and just put a little dollop on it, just a tiny bit. Spread it around with the back of a spoon or a knife. I rather do a spoon because it's more of an even spread, especially if it's on a flat surface. And of course, add your ham. Now if I had bacon, I probably would have been using bacon instead, but this will give more of a depth of flavor. And then of course you want to add your cheese, and I am using a 4 cheese Mexican blend, and it's a fit and active, and it's made with 2% milk. And I'm probably doing like less than a quarter of serving, okay? Then of course a little bit of a more salad dressing, and I'm also going to put some on top. And this one right here is for my husband that I'm making. If I could squeeze some more out. There we go. I should have put it on top of the chicken first, but that's okay. Less is more. So then of course the lettuce that I chopped up earlier, you just grab it, pull it towards you, and you just roll it and do it tight, real tight, okay, just like that, and kind of like press it down a little bit so it doesn't come undone. Grab your plate and set it there. And then, so right now, I'm going to go ahead and make my other 2 rolls. So if you want to go do something else, go do something else, or you could stick around and watch what I'm doing. Alright, so I got some sides warmed up also. And sorry to keep you waiting there. I have to clean as I go. If you are a wine drinker, And if you're on the wagon, you need to turn this off right now, okay? Because if what I'm about to show you, I don't want to give you any temptation. So, but if you are on the wagon, like I said, turn it off and clean as you go, because the last thing you want to do is to sit down and eat before the kitchen's clean. So I'm one of those people that I love to clean as I go. Wash the dishes that are in the sink and all that type of stuff, all the garbage and everything else. So now here is the food that I am about to eat, and that is my rule of thumb. I try not to eat past that time. Now I know there's most of you that work still till 5 o'clock and you have to eat past 5 or 8 or whatever, and that's okay. As long as you work out, you stay healthy, and you need to do what you gotta do, more power to you. Just stay healthy and everything else. Okay, so, God, I just made a mess again. Alright, so, I will show you exactly what we got going. Alright, so hold on one second, and I will show you what it looks like in between. Okay? So look at this. Can you see that? It's the chicken, the ham, the lettuce, the cheese. Alright, so let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. And no chicken is good without their, ooh, listen to that. Glug, 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 glug. So, from my house to yours, this is my red Moscato, and I bid you adieu, and I hope you make something like this. Let me know what else you would like for me to make. Any round 2 recipes. Again, these were made from chicken tenders. All you gotta do is look for the chicken tender, Mama CRUZ-AMARO chicken tenders here on YouTube. And this is the round 2 recipe. And this is a Mama CRUZ chicken tender wrap. All this is under, I believe it should be under 150 calories. I'm not mistaken, okay, per serving. And that's just the wrap. And here, I know I said I was going to leave, but here I have what we call fideo. You guys, you have to make this stuff. This stuff is so good. Chicken and red wine, great pairing. So again, for sure this time, from my house to yours, from my kitchen to yours, I bid you adieu, and God bless you all. I hope you guys get to make this. Let me know if you do. And what else you want me to make. Let me take it easy, because I need to eat that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.